Hello traders, today I will show you a very interesting strategy that combines several indicators. You can read the exact coordinates in the description, and I will show you the order of observation. First, you pay attention to the MA and whether the trend is up or down. Then observe the CCI as well as the Stochastic Oscillator. All three indicators must represent the same direction of price movement. As you can see in the video, all three indicators show an upward trend, so I also decided for an upward price. You also have to pay attention to the movement, as well as the size of the candles. In this case, the green ones must be dominant. Do not enter the trade when there is consolidation. Here in the example, we see that the trend is down. All the parameters point to it, and when the dominant red candle breaks the support level, then we can safely enter the trade. Very clear and precise, but patience and a good observation of the overall situation are required. Each example is unique and must be viewed from multiple angles. I use this combination of indicators for regular market. Before you start using this strategy, I would recommend you to perfect it on a demo account. I wish you success. Until the next video, like and subscribe to my channel.